turning your garden into a self-sufficient food source. Are you tired of rising grocery costs and unsure where your food comes from? Imagine stepping outside your door and harvesting fresh, organic produce from your own garden. Today, we'll explore how to transform your garden into a self-sufficient food source. Growing your own food offers incredible benefits. You'll save money, improve your health, reduce your environmental impact, and experience the deep satisfaction of nurturing life. Let's get started on this rewarding journey. First, assess your space. Consider the amount of sunlight your garden receives, the type of soil you have, and the overall area available. These factors will influence what and how you can grow. Next, decide on your garden layout. Raised beds offer excellent drainage and soil control, while in-ground gardens are a more traditional approach. Container gardening is perfect for small spaces and urban environments. Prioritize the crops you want to grow. Start with your family's favorite vegetables and fruits, and choose varieties that are relatively easy to grow, especially if you're a beginner. Some excellent beginner crops include lettuce, tomatoes, and herbs. These are generally low maintenance and provide a good yield, giving you early success and encouragement. Healthy soil is the foundation of a thriving garden. It provides the nutrients, water, and support that plants need to flourish. Without healthy soil, even the best plants will struggle. Composting is a fantastic way to improve your soil. It transforms kitchen scraps and yard waste into nutrient-rich humus. Starting a compost pile is easier than you might think. Organic amendments like compost and well-rotted manure can significantly improve soil structure and fertility. These amendments add essential nutrients and help the soil retain moisture. Consider your local climate when selecting plants. Choose varieties that are well-suited to your region's temperature, rainfall, and growing season. Local nurseries can offer valuable advice. Succession planting is a technique that extends your harvest season. By planting crops at intervals, you can ensure a continuous supply of fresh produce throughout the growing season. Decide whether to start seeds indoors or purchase seedlings. Seed starting allows you to grow a wider variety of plants, but it requires more time and effort. Seedlings offer convenience, but may limit your choices. Proper planting techniques are crucial for success. Pay attention to spacing recommendations to allow plants adequate room to grow. Plant at the correct depth to ensure proper root development. Choose the right watering method for your garden. Drip irrigation delivers water directly to the roots, minimizing water waste. Soaker hoses are another efficient option. Hand watering can be effective, but it requires more time and attention. Conserve water by using mulch. Mulch helps retain moisture in the soil, reducing the need for frequent watering. Organic mulches like straw and wood chips also improve soil health as they decompose. Consider rainwater harvesting. Collecting rainwater is an environmentally friendly way to water your garden. Rainwater is naturally soft and free of chemicals, making it ideal for plants. Prevention is key to pest and disease control. Healthy plants are more resistant to problems. Provide adequate sunlight, water, and nutrients to keep your plants strong. Employ natural pest control methods. Companion planting can deter pests and attract beneficial insects. Introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs and lacewings to your garden to control aphids and other pests. Use organic sprays when necessary. Options like neem oil and insecticidal soap are safe and effective for controlling many common garden pests. Always follow the instructions on the label. Practice good disease management techniques. Crop rotation helps prevent soil-borne diseases. Proper spacing allows for good air circulation, reducing the risk of fungal problems. Remove and dispose of any diseased plant material promptly. Harvest your crops at their peak ripeness. This will maximize their flavor and nutritional value. Learn the signs of ripeness for each type of fruit and vegetable you grow. Explore different preservation methods to extend the shelf life of your harvest. Freezing, canning, drying, and pickling are all effective ways to preserve your garden bounty. Freezing is a simple method for preserving many vegetables and fruits. Simply blanch the produce, then freeze it in airtight containers or bags. Canning involves preserving food in jars using heat. This method is ideal for long-term storage. Follow proper canning procedures to ensure food safety. Let's recap the key takeaways. Planning, soil health, and sustainable practices are essential for creating a self-sufficient garden. Remember to start small, be patient, and enjoy the process. Now it's your turn to take action. Subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Like this video if you found it helpful.